Well, GST authorities have also reportedly issued show-cause notices worth 1 lakh crore rupees to the online gaming companies for tax evasion. And these include overseas companies for whom registering in India has been made mandatory from the 1st of October. The government has also imposed a 28% GST on real money gaming companies from this month. Also, those who have already received these notices include Dream 11, Delta Corp and Gamescraft. Joining us for more details on this is Karishma Sudani. Karishma, what are the government's expectations and the plan of action on this alleged tax evasion?
Well, the centre is looking to recover evaded taxes of close to 50,000 crore from it for the goods and services taxes bracket. In fact, we are learning from our top sources that close to 1.34 lakh crore taxes have been evaded until now in this financial year. And this is not just for the online gaming part, but also includes insurance companies and a host of other sectors that government has been continuously issuing the show cause notice to. Now, the CBIC department and the GST investigation wing will, of course, they've strategized a plan in which they expect that more number of companies will be added to the GST evasion investigation, and they're expecting that they will be able to recover close to 50,000 crore, which is going to be one of the highest recovery amounts for the department.
Well, thanks a lot, Karishma, for that update. Well, gold smuggling also seems to have shot up this year, and the government has now detected gold smuggling amounting to 2,000 kilos in April to September period this year. That is up 43% from the corresponding period last year. The increased smuggling is primarily driven by domestic demand and lower global prices. India is a negligible producer of gold, so the huge demand for gold in the country is actually met through imports as well. Gold and jewellery sales are expected to rise 20% to 30,000 crore rupees in the current festive season because demand has been strong despite the prices of the bullion metal nearing the record high levels in the domestic market. Internationally, gold is close to its resistance level of $2,000 an ounce, fueled by tailwinds from the US Federal Reserve and West Asia geopolitical tensions. The current geopolitical crisis could also cast a long shadow on the interim budget to be presented in February. Sources have told Business Today television that the government is now taking into account the crisis in West Asia and its possible repercussions while also formulating its financial estimates. Business Today TV's Karishma Sudani has also more on this. Karishma, can you also elaborate on the government's focus on the interim budget?
No big hopes on interim budget, and that's coming from the Ministry of Finance in the power corridors of the capital, that is New Delhi. We are picking up from our sources that government is rather staying cautious of the current geopolitical situation and the global headwinds. We're also being told by our sources that in the current interim decisions, which will last until November 15, that is post-Diwali, government will be discussing on the current war situation and if that's going to have a major impact on the financials pertaining to Indian economy. We are also picking up that government is pretty confident of meeting their fiscal deficit target of 5.4%, despite the fact that there could be some shortfalls in terms of the disinvestment target, which is lacking. But government is confident that revenues could do extremely well, and that could fill the gap.
Right. Thanks a lot, Karishma, for that update as well. And now